Well, good day, my ladies and my gents. Welcome to video number 3 for today. Yeah, but anyway, um, I found out from Tim over at Box Stock Garage that Jeff over at Jeff's Model Garage has a group build. Started January 5th and runs through the 1st of July for it's a big rig group build. Basically anything bigger than a pickup truck. I have been looking at a whole unit that I want to do. So I want to kind of show what I have in mind for to begin with for my big rig group build. So let me get the camera up and I'll start showing what I got and what I'm going to get. Alrighty, well, for starters, we've got the Revell Peterbilt 359. For whatever reason, I've always liked Peterbilts. Just finished up for about 40 years of trucking, a lot of it flatbedding. And this one, I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do with that air deflector. Probably just leave it off and putty up the holes in the roof. But I am going to do this, and I'm going to spend a fair amount of time detailing. I'm going to go ahead and build it up to a truck that I've always wanted to own, as well as much detail as I can get into it. And on that, we're going to kind of go over some of the stuff that I got. Of course, I got a box with seat belts in it. Got to have seat belts on your seat. And it's just your basic, it's photo etch and ribbons. A while back, I picked up, not too long ago, I picked up some wiper blades from, I believe that was Iceman that I got them from, I think. It might be MCV, I'll have to check on that. But when you look at the box, pull it up so you can see, and it's on the back. And you look at some of the photos that go along with it. Where is it? Wiper blade. There. Those are horrid wiper blades. They're wholly out. So I'm going to put some of those others, the 3D resin. Get this turned back around. But I picked up a while back, and I'm not exactly sure where. I think the business is gone now. But I picked up a drop axle for Peterbilt. I'm not sure if it will fit with this. I'm not sure or not. Drops about 4 scale inches. But I'll check it out and see. And if it fits, I'll put it on. If it doesn't, I won't. A while back, I picked up some bullhorns from Josh over at VCG. I might just use it on this. Of course, we've got flocking. Going to put some of that in the sleeper at least. Tires. These are the tires that come with the kit. They are horrid. They're skinny. The treads are skinny. They just don't look right. So I had wound up with a set of the Moebius tires. Let's see what a difference that is. But you can just see these are the Moebius tires are a low pro. I think they're what, 22.5s. Yeah, they're 22.5 low pros. And these are, have to look at them a little closer. Get it up under the light. They're 11 by 20s. what it says. That I think they're scale 24.5s, but they're just horrid. I hate them. Don't like them. So I'm going to put the Moebius tires on it. Josh has on, of course, when I refer to Josh, I'm talking about VCG. He has glad hand sets available on his site, and I asked if he had any that he could make, and this is part of it. He sent me a massive amount. Really grateful for that, Josh. I've gone through, over the last year and a half since I got this, I've been collecting stuff. I got mud flaps. I got floor mats. I have, out of Hyro Boy out of England, I have switches. Let me see if I can get this to zoom. I have switches. Look at that. To go on the dash. I have got, I was talking to Josh early on about train horns. And said that we don't normally use train horns on trucks. They're kind of an add-on thing. Well, at one point I ordered some because I wanted some, but he also sent me a set of regular horns that he had left over from an old production run. He also has Peterbilt headlight pods. This is a single, and it has a visor on it. It also comes with clear lenses. That's going on. The train horns are going on. I've got an extra air tank that I got from some kid or another, and that's going to be hooked up to the air horn. Josh has air conditioner, sleeper air conditioners. They go up on top up here, or conversely they can go on the cab, so you can actually, probably it's where it needs to go. And he sells these on his site. He also has modern RV. Whoops, get it so I don't step on it. He calls these Grocon lights. They're basically similar to the big Peterbilt lights, and I plan on having a stretch of 9 of them across instead of 5 like you normally see. And it's just some extra chicken lights, and that's clear resin. Throw a little bit of clear on top of that clear orange, and it really brings it out. I got a whole bunch of photo etch parts. Door handles. I got Peterbilt logos. This is a photo etch set of door trim to go like along the bottom here. So then for Christmas, I got, pulling it up and see if I can do this without knocking anything off. I got the Moebius 48-foot flatbed trailer, spread axle. Most of my trucking has been with this general style of trailer. I need to take a quick swig. Water. So the boxes, I understand, don't open. I may do something about opening that up. I'm not sure just how I'm going to do yet. My mother got this for me, and unfortunately they didn't pack it quite as well as they could have at Hobby Link, and the end got squashed. So I opened it up, checked it out, make sure there was no damage once I opened up the package. But it came beautifully wrapped. website, HobbyLink website, says the owner's wife actually does all the wrapping. So, and it's an extra charge for it. But on that, let me get this off of here so I don't knock stuff off. That sucker's heavy. Oh, I forgot. The STS decals that I got with a logo on it. It's going to go on the doors. And my little brother's kids went together, picked up this for Christmas, and that is going to go on the trailer. And then airlines, we frequently will have a spring that goes on the back, where the back of the cab, where it kind of bundles up the airlines, and so they don't drag, and it expands out, and it allows the it allows the lines to go out, and then when you get back straight, it pulls the airlines back up, so they're not dragging on the catwalk. But I'm also going to put together some crates out of wood. I have got an idea about taking some material and cutting it in the proper size that we use for tarps, and essentially roll it up like I would a tarp, like I would on a flatbed, and throw that up there, and maybe do something where I've got some crates and a small tarp over it. I may do something like that. But for the trailer, it's got winches and whatnot that you can tighten straps with. Probably go down to Hobby Lobby and take a look at them, and find me some 4mm wide yellow ribbon, and that'll work great for straps, because we used 4-inch straps to tie things down. Frequently that is they're mostly yellow unless you order special. Excuse me. And when you're working 124, 125 scale, a real easy conversion is basically 1mm equals 1 scale inch. If you want something 96 inches wide like a trailer, you measure out 96 millimeters and you'll come real close to being proper scale. So, but yeah, this is my plan for my group build, my big rig group build with, oh, my mind's lost the name again. Jeff's Model Garage. I'm sorry, Jeff. My brain hates names. It hates titles. I have to look at something 11 times before I can even begin to start remembering it. And but this is going to be my entry. And I'm going to go get the peat all washed up and ready to go, so that I can start getting things ready and primed and painted and everything like that. So, B-Tex signing out.